What if you had to get your heart broken 15 times for you to make $40 million? That's what happened to Stephenie Meyer, the creator of the Twilight series. I remember I think I was in like sophomore year of high school when it came out, and I remember one of my good friends, her name was Kylie, she was obsessed with the Twilight series and I didn't know what it was. And I just figured it was some other show produced by Hollywood and, you know, they make another hit series and make a bunch of money. I didn't know that Stephenie Meyer was just like you and me. She was a woman with a dream that everyone doubted her. And you might have a dream and everyone doubts you. Here she is. Here's this vision that she has, this Twilight series. It's going to be a book and there's going to be a TV show and it's going to be like on major motion pictures. She didn't have any like Hollywood support. And here she was. She went out and she started pitching book agents on this idea. Guess how many denied her? 15. Every single one that she wrote denied her. Every single one that she wrote denied her. They were like, this isn't good, this isn't gonna work, this isn't gonna make money, now that you're not a good writer, you're not this, you're not that. Nothing worked out for her. So instead of freaking out, she kept working on the screenplay. She kept working through it. I always say, when someone says no, you say next. Comment that down below. No, next. When you get rejected, you say next. When someone says no, you say next. Reject, rejection. No, next down below. So she kept saying that. No, next, no, next, no, next. And what ended up happening is she wrote it. She ended up writing one more agent, and finally an agent said yes. They're like, okay, we'll represent it. But all an agent does is represent it. Then they have to go sell it to a publisher. So this agent ended up getting 15 publishers after she was denied by 15 publishers to bid on it. Guess how much they ended up bidding on? $750,000. This little story idea everyone said was stupid, no one said would work, she ended up getting paid $750,000 for it. Became a huge hit, and her net worth is now $40 million. She had to get rejected that many times, and then she ended up making $40 million. And the universe works the same way in your life and my life. Most of the best things in life are on the other side of facing our fears, our rejections, our doubts, our worries. And my invitation, my question to you is, how many times are you willing to get back up? How many times are you willing to get told no? Because it's like the pot of gold is just on the other side. It's almost like the universe is like dangling a carrot in front of you like a little hamster, and the hamster's like that's what it's doing with all the rejections. But most people get the door slammed on them once and they're like, I'm good. Yeah, they're probably right. I mean, it's a literary agent. They know. They've been in the industry. They know more than me. No. She was rejected that many times. Everyone said it wouldn't work. And then she got $750K up front and ended up making $40 million off of it. And it's like huge. It's books, it's series, it's movies, it's everything. They probably have a whole t-shirt product action figure line. Like, it's there, man. And I just want to remind you that, like, it's easy to look at really successful things and think somehow they had it easy. Like, you're not alone. Just remember, when someone says no, you say next. Comment it down below. Remember that story of Stephenie Meyer. That many no's turns into $40 million. Just imagine the treasure, the jackpot, the fortune of your life that's on the other side of the fears you're facing and the rejection you're facing and the doubt you're facing. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure, if you have not yet, that you check out the Second Mind. It's our software we designed to rewire the brain. Because like when you face that many rejections, the negativities, the doubts, the worries, every time that happens, the brain fires nerve and brain cells and it starts to create your neurocircuitry. The hardware of most people's brains, psychologists say 70-75% of most people's thought patterns and actions are negative and redundant. Why are they redundant? Because the brain hardwires in a certain way. And so we created a software to rewire the brain. You can demo it for free. We hear the most amazing stories every day. It's thesecondmind.com. So check that out, thesecondmind.com. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, comment down below, know next. And go share that story with a friend or a family member that's going through a tough time. Share this video with them. Let them know Stephanie Meyer is worth $40 million. Everyone counted her out. No one said that she could do it. She got rejected that many times, but she had the inner vision. And if you dare to hold the inner vision, you will see it materialize in your life if you don't let the outside appearance of things control your future. So have a beautiful day. Hit the like button on this video to support the channel. Remember, you can do it. Stay with it. Stay focused. You got this. I believe in you. And the universe does too. It just might be testing you a little bit.